Dana, we closed the book on Thanksgiving, and it felt like we kind of closed the book on the warmer weather.
I feel like that's a perfect way to describe it. We're really in this transition period, and today it was a big difference from where we were yesterday. So a front is essentially a change between air masses. Yesterday we were in a warmer air mass, and today we are solidly in a colder air mass. Only a high of 42 in Portland, high of 40 in Lewiston, a high of 41 in Rockland today, and some of those coastal temperatures yesterday were able to get into the 50s. So a big change for today. We did also have some snow showers around, but a lot of those have dissipated over the past couple of hours. We do still have a little bit of snow in areas of far eastern Washington County. That should be exiting over the next half an hour or so, and the rest of those snow showers will be dissipating overnight too. It'll also be windy again during the day tomorrow, so I think it's going to feel even colder than it actually is, and it's also going to be colder tomorrow than it was today. We will have ample sunshine, especially in the afternoon, but those high temperatures will really struggle to get out of the 30s, and winds will be coming out of the west between 25 and 35 miles per hour. I think it'll feel really cold. And then overnight, we start to see an increase in cloud cover ahead of our first system of the 7-day forecast. This one comes in on Sunday. So we might see some snow showers in the late morning hours of Sunday, but most of the heavier precipitation doesn't move in until afternoon. If you're closer to the coast, you're going to see mostly, if not all, rain. This system is going to pull in some warmer air from the south, so we will be watching the location of that rain-snow line, which will push steadily farther northward during the afternoon and evening hours. I think around dinner time especially, some of the precipitation could be fairly heavy. You can see some of those dark purple colors in the snow areas, and for the rain, some of those oranges and yellows. So around dinner time on Sunday, pretty heavy precipitation. But the storm moves out fairly quickly. By about 10 p.m., areas of western Maine already cleared out, and areas of down east and northern Maine will clear out after midnight. And then it'll be breezy once again on Monday. Here's a look at how much snowfall you might see from that system. Mainly 1 to 3 in areas of northern Maine, mostly rain along the coast, about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rain there. But I think a lot of eyes are on this system for Tuesday, and right now there is still some uncertainty there, mainly with the track of the storm and where that area of low pressure sets up. If it's a little bit farther south, we end up with more snow along the coastline rather than widespread snow. But the GFS doesn't agree here. It has a much more robust system that's farther northward, and we could end up seeing some more widespread snowfall, some higher snowfall amounts, and the possibility of some mixing along the coastline. But right now, we're still 4 days out, so right now we're really looking at track and type, and as we get into the weekend, we can look at some more specific impacts like snowfall amounts and exact timing. Marine forecast sees 4 to 8 feet. That gale warning is in effect till tomorrow morning. Likely they will extend that. So during the day tomorrow, a good bit of sunshine, but it'll be pretty cold. High temperatures in the 30s, and those gusty winds make those wind chills very chilly, Chris. Stick with us as we go throughout the weekend. I think all eyes really right now on Tuesday, but don't forget about that system on Sunday because we will still get some heavy rain and snow from that.
Lots to keep your eyes on. Thanks, Dana.
Absolutely. We're busy.